Hello again. We continue building our screen flow. And in the prior video, we stopped at configuring our radio button choices, which were also the pick list values in the preferred method to contact, phone, email, or text. And we configure them through this section here. Set add choice. Next, we're going to drag a display text component to thank you for to thank you the caller for selecting one of those choices. We're going to also collect the shipping questions they might have by adding a long text area. And lastly, we're going to greet to thank them for providing the information. We're going to add the date and time component, which we configured as a custom field, if you remember in the previous video. Another display text component, and the last section is dragging a lookup component to look up a shipping specialist, and this will complete configuring our second screen element. Lastly, after we collect all of the details needed for our call script through the screen components, we're going to create a new lead record by dragging the create records element from the from the element section. Here we're going to just to show you, we're going to create a record on the lead object, and a very important step is mapping the mapping section. For each information we have collected on our screens, we need to map it with the lead object fields. If we scroll down, in the set field values for the lead, we have here are the fields we have collected from our call script: the company description, the email, the first name, the last name, the preferred contact method, the follow-up date. We're going to debug our flow, and we're going to activate it. We would like also to add our flow as a lightning component to the sales app, and we do so through the app manager, and we add the inbound lead call script flow as a utility item. And here it is. We're going to click here, and here is our script we just created, collecting the first name, the last name, thanks the caller for the information, collecting the phone number, the email. Lastly, we're just going to test our flow. We're going to fill out the first screen element. We're going to click next. I'm going to select email. Shipping question will be, here is the second screen component. We're going to select the preferred method to contact. It will be email. We're going to answer to ask how much it will cost to ship a container to South Africa to Canada. The preferred time to follow up. We're going to select the date, and the shipping specialist is here. Next, we're going to. I just went back to the flow builder to debug and run it again. and looks like it ran successfully, and I selected Kate Doe as a name.